Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? Can you all please just type in the chat box? Can you all able to hear me? Can see me? Okay, so welcome to NEET Most Expected Questions series, and today we are going to discuss about haloalkanes and haloarenes more expected questions. So far in this series we are started with physical chemistry grade 11 content and grade 12, and we are in the last stage of all the topics, and grade 12 organic chemistry is started. So before going for the session, without delay, I just want to say oath of the day, that is crack your NEET examination. Every day you take this oath, crack your NEET examination, simply seriously studying and seriously working. Okay, so for that, everybody attend the class without any fail. Please like the session, share with your friends, and subscribe to Infinity Land NEET YouTube channel. Yeah, very good to see. And in the Google App Store, you can just find Infinity Land app. There you can see full free of cost live classes, mock test, and create your own test. Any topic, if you have a doubt, you can create your own test on the topic and you can enjoy it. And 24/7 doubt resolution sessions. And whenever you are preparing for something, you need to know what is your strength and what is your improvement areas. For that, Infinity Learn is designed a test series, NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, which contain 27 AITS examinations and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions and 3 physics, chemistry, biology books along with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance reports. And for every test, and your performance is benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students. It cost about 5,999, but when you apply this coupon code YouTube 50 off, you will be having 50% discount, so that you are going to get it for 2,999. It's a special discount. Everybody enjoy this, and all the best for your NEET examination. And without any delay, we'll start the question based on alkyl halides, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Get ready. The question of the day: which among the following will not show haloform test? So take a minute. I want you to give the answer in the chat box. Everybody who are live, you just participate in this discussion. Use chat box and discuss with us, so that we can have kind of interactive session between you and me, and I'm going to give you the best out of tricks. Fine. So what is haloform test? The condition for haloform test: any methyl ketone can give haloform test, and also any secondary alcohol with methyl group aside can give you haloform test. Yes, I want to say Muhammad Ashik, hi. Yesterday also given, and ethyl alcohol is the only primary alcohol can give this haloform test. And the question is asking about which will not show haloform test. Yes, let us amplify this structure. So you're going to get CH3, C double bond O, and CH2, and C double bond O, C2H5. So in this scenario, you have methyl ketone. Yes, it can give the haloform test. Hi Monica, good afternoon. Ozaina, good afternoon. And let us see CH3 and C, it's a tertiary alcohol. This tertiary alcohol do not give haloform test. You are in grade 8, okay, try to understand. And also let's discuss about 2-butanol. CH3, writing the structure is important. and CH3 and OH, and you're going to see it is a methyl ketone, can give you the haloform test. Here it is going to give you the haloform test, okay, and both this A and C can give you. My answer for this question is going to be D is the correct answer for this question. So Muhammad Ashik, okay, will not, no, will not, it is going to be B, it is going to be B, it is going to be B, yes, answer is, got it? Next question, ready? Yes, it is not G, it is B. Which among the following will not produce ethane when treated with ethyl magnesium halide? Ethyl magnesium halide, CH3 and CH2 and MgCl, and it is a Grignard reagent. You know, Grignard reagent is an excellent base and a good nucleophile. So if anybody can give you a labile hydrogen, acidic hydrogen, can be given as CH3 and CH3. So he can have an acidic hydrogen, yes, he can give propine CH3 C triple bond CH, yes, he can give, and alkene do not give, and alcohols can give. So will not produce. I just want to say my answer for this question is going to be C is the answer. Got it? Grignard reagents are excellent bases and good nucleophiles. Got it? It's a very good trick. So any substance which can give H plus. What are the substances can give H plus? Let us say H2O can give rise H plus and OH minus, HCl gives rise H plus and Cl minus, CH3 and COOH can give rise CH3, COO minus and H plus, and it can give, or any terminal alkyne give this. So many tricks you can learn from my class. My dear children, stay tuned. I just want to give you NH3 can give rise NH2 minus and H plus, and ROH gives rise RO minus and H plus. What not? Phenol can give you, my dear children, gives rise phenoxide ion and H plus. Okay? Got it? Clear? Any one of the things can be given as an option, not only these three. So take a pen and paper, everybody. Take a pen and paper and write along with me so that you are going to boost up your subject. Right? Make it fast. That's good gathering. Next question. Tertiary butyl chloride on treatment with lithium aluminum hydride gives, wow. Who will give the answer? Waiting for you. Tertiary butyl chloride. What is tertiary butyl chloride? CH3 and CH3. This is tertiary butyl chloride when it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. Actually, this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce primary and secondary, while the tertiary alkyl halide is going to be eliminated, so that I would say an elimination takes place So that CH2 double bond C, CH3 and CH3. This is called isobutylene or isobutane. Tertiary isobutane. My answer is going to be B. So, lithium aluminum tertiary alkyl halide undergo elimination with lithium aluminum hydride. Got it? Maunika, B, correct? Wonderful answer. Whereas it is with primary and secondary, you are going to see reduction. You want to say like this? Reduction takes place. Fine. Hi Priyanka. Okay, your name is Vanshika. God bless you. Follow the class. Next, let's see one more question. Hurry, what is this? This is an alkyl halide. It undergo Hoffman elimination, gives rise B, and when HBr is added, in the presence of sunlight. So the correct order of rate of SN1 reaction and ACD will be. That's good. So let's see actually the products. What are the products? So we can say it's a peroxide. You want me to give the product over here? You want me to give the product? Priyanka, you want to say D? Okay. Vanshika, you want to do something? Abid Hassan, good afternoon. Great to say students are from abroad also attending our classes, and we welcome to your class. Okay, right. Right, let me say, when Hoffman elimination takes place, this is the structure. You can see, dear children, this is the structure CH3 and CH and CH3 and CH and Cl and CH3. When it is go for Hoffman elimination, could you tell me Hoffman elimination, how you undergo Hoffman elimination? Can you just propose some reagent that can use for the Hoffman elimination? That is tertiary butoxide. Tertiary butoxide, whenever bulky base is there, you are going to see Hoffman elimination. So there are two products that can be formed during elimination: the most substituted product and the least substituted product. The product with most substituted is called as Hoffman product. The product with least substituted, alkene with least substituted, is called Hoffman product. When to form Hoffman product? Whenever the base is bulky, or whenever the leaving group is a poor leaving group, or in thermal decomposition reactions. So that you are going to see Hoffman elimination. That's a wonderful explanation you can see. So CH3, CH and CH and CH3 that is going to be CH2. Got it? So this is Hoffman product. So now I want to add HBr. So use electrophilic addition reaction. If you use electrophilic addition reaction, you're going to see the formation of CH3, CH3 and CH3 and CH3 and Br. So this is a tertiary alkyl halide. This is a tertiary alkyl halide. Got it? And this is your B. Now, if I want to go with HBr in the presence of peroxide anti-Markovnikov rule, so you are going to see CH3, CH3, CH and CH3 and CH2Br. So it is a primary alkyl halide is formed. It is a primary alkyl halide is formed. So that among SN1 reaction, tertiary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary alkyl halide is more reactive than primary alkyl halide. So I just want to say D. So this much analysis you need to have. Priyanka, your answer is going to be D. Wonderful. So for that we have seen elimination process, we have to understand electrophilic addition process, free radical addition process. Okay, Vanshika, it takes some time to understand. Okay, very good explanation, Priyanka. Right, Abhidasan, hope you understood. And let's see some more questions. Let's see some more questions, dear. Next, yeah, answer is D. Now, what is this? Again, a good question. RMGX is a good, it's a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is reacted with the CO2 and it forms a B, and in the presence of A it forms a C and other products. And Grignard reagent is with C2H5OH. It forms E and other products. Which statement is correct? You want to say A? Okay. So analyze it, what you're going to get it. Okay. You want to say Priyanka, or you want to say A or B or C? Inky Pinky Ponky. That's cheating. That's cheating. So I just want to say it is going to be C. C and E are the same product. C and E are the same product. So here it is an ester formation, you can be seen. What is that? RMGX. RMGX is a good nucleophile and excellent base. When it is treated with CO2, C double bond O, so that it is a partial negative charge and a partial positive charge. Therefore, this is going to be attacked over here, and by the loss of this, you are going to see the formation of R, C double bond O and OH. Okay, so this is your B. This is your B. Okay, now it is reacted with the C. So let us say C and E are the same. So C2H5OH, okay, you are going to see the formation of R C double bond O C2H5. It's an ester. It's an ester. That is going to be C. Now in the same way, RMGX, C and E are the same compound, C and E. It is going to be RMGX it is going to react with C2H5OH. You are going to get RH. Alkane is formed. So these are not same. Okay, here it is going to be an alkane. It's an alkane. C is an ester. It is correct. It is correct. The answer is going to be A. Answer is going to be A. No, Priyanka. Right? Now, what is the answer for this question? So it is little in detailed version you need to go. CH3CH2Cl. It is an alkyl halide when it is treated with NaCN, when it is treated with AgCN. What could be the product? Good afternoon, Abhishek. How are you? Do it, make it fast. Abhishek and Priyanka, expecting an answer from you. You think yeah. Now you see NaCN is ionic. Right? NaCN is ionic. So that what happens? Directly it's a strong nucleophile. Cn minus is a strong nucleophile. Cn minus is a strong nucleophile. Yeah, Maunika, I'll go back. Okay. Cn minus is a strong nucleophile. Whenever strong nucleophile, it undergoes SN2. Okay. So whenever it undergoes SN2, you are going to see CH3, CH3 and CH2Cl. So by means of SN2, you will be getting CH3, CH3 and CH2Cn. So this is your A. While AgCN is weak nucleophile. AgCN is covalent. Maunika, weak nucleophile. Whenever weak nucleophile favors the SN1, carbocation is formed. Okay, so let's see here. CH3, C, CH3, H, CH2, Cl. Whenever it undergo by SN1, there should be a formation of a carbocation, so that CH3, CH and CH3 and CH2 is formed. Now this hydrogen is shifted, carbocation rearrangement takes place, so that CH3, okay, CH3 and CH3 and plus is formed. As a result of this, AgCN forms an isocyanide, CH3, CH3 and isocyanide is formed. This is going to be B. Check the answer with A and B. What answer is going to be favored? A strong nucleophile favors SN2 and a weak nucleophile forms SN1. Mind it? Answer? Find the answer there. Find the answer, bacho. What is the answer, Bhaunika? Whenever SN1 there, no rearrangement, SN2 is there, rearrangement takes place. Fine? Now my answer is going to be D. Abhidasan, it is D, it is C, it is A and B. Yes, it is. Clear? It's a good question, right? Wonderful question. Now moving ahead, one more question. The correct order of rate of dehydrohalogenation of the following alkyl halide. So what is the actual product formed when dehydrohalogenation takes place? During dehydrohalogenation, you are going to see the formation of an alkene. So this is an elimination reaction. In this elimination reaction, rate of dehydrohalogenation is directly proportional to stability of an alkene. That's very important. So look at this. What are the products that can be formed when elimination takes place? When you undergo elimination, no Rashmi, I am fine, thank you, how are you? This is on elimination. You are going to get a super aromatic compound. This is the product 1. If this is eliminated, you are going to see the formation of CH3 and CH double bond CH2. When this is eliminated, Sage-Jov rule, CH3 double bond CH and CH3. This is the product 3. Product 2. And this is eliminated, you are going to see already double bond is there. And this is 4. Thank you. So, Priyanka, alpha, of course, aromatic is more stable. Conjugated diene is more stable. And here, double hyperconjugation here, this is more stable. Only single hyperconjugation is there. So this is the order of stability of these 4 products, so that you are going to get 1, 4, 3 and 2. Option B is the correct answer for today's this question, not D. 1 4 1 4. B. No. I want to go with B. You look at the stability, it is aromatic. It is aromatic. Here resonance is there. Here hyperconjugation is there. Here also hyperconjugation is there, but only single hyperconjugation is there. Stability of the alkene you have to consider in this. Abhidasan, Priyanka, yes. Vanshika. Next question. Next question. Vanshika, I am from Hyderabad Infinitive Lane Corporate Office. Yakshit, hi. Now let's talk about this. In the following reaction, the most probable product. Here it is N-propyl group. This is N-propyl group. Yes, my lectures are uploaded on the channel. My lectures are uploaded on the channel. Now, my dear students, when NaOH DMS were taken, it undergo SN2 reaction. In this SN2 reaction, inversion takes place. Walden inversion takes place. So, when it up is Na plus and OH minus is replaced here, so that reversal takes place. Whenever this is reversed, the entire thing is going to be reversed. Understand? Abid? Now the answer is going to be B. Look at this. OH group is substituted here and the reversion is taking place. You just go with an R&S configuration, you will understand. Fine? Now moving ahead, correct order of boiling points of the following would be: boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular weight. Boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular weight. More number of halogens, more is the boiling point. More is the molecular weight and more is the boiling point. So, 4 chlorines, 3 chlorines, 2 chlorines and 1 chlorine. The answer is going to be perfect. Monica, it is going to be C. That's good. I am really enjoying. Hi Suresh Kumar, how are you? Abhidasan. We'll do one more. Be regular in the classes, Suresh Kumar. Abhishek, are you there? Now let's see what some more questions. Which is thermodynamically controlled product of the following reaction? Super awesome question. It's a super awesome question. मैं ठीक हूँ सुरेश. So let me give you 2 types of products and I'll give you the correct product as well. All are possible. कैसे बेटा? अभी अभिषेक अब कम से कम बात करना यार. You come to the class and keep quiet, okay, and fire up with your doubts and fire up with your questions and answers. Huh? You want to say D? So let me explain you why. Grignard reagent is an excellent it's excellent base and good nucleophile. Good nucleophile. है ना? So let's see how things can go ahead. Look at this, a double bond, right? Whenever this is CH3MgCl, CH3MgCl, it is going to be attracted like this. This is one product and this is called kinetically controlled. So some involvement of the, no, it is not ortho and para. The term ortho and para is not at all applicable for Abid. In the case of benzene only ortho para terminology is applicable, where here it is not applicable. So the product formed based on the first stable formed intermediate is called kinetically controlled product. But resonance का वजह से अगर कुछ product form होगा, ये thermodynamically control होगा and it is going to be more stable for that. Okay, so let's talk about this another one, right? So let's see, and there is resonance. Okay, so because of this resonance, what happens, you know, it is going to form right. Now this carbon positive is more ready for this methyl magnesium bromide. It is going to be attacked over here. It gives you, followed by hydrolysis, CH3 and OH. So this is called thermodynamic controlled product. Thermodynamically controlled product. So my answer for this question is, the question is asking thermodynamically controlled product is going to be this double bond should be coming over here. Okay, so it is going to be keto enol tautomerization का वजह से answer B is the correct answer. Very good discussion, right? Where keto enol tautomerism, it's the enol form, no? Good gathering today's class. Very good short rate, but doubts are very less in the class. Any doubts as for Monica? Any doubt as far as this question is concerned? Syed Ayan, hi. Abid, you correct yourself. That's very good. Next, correct sequence of dipole moment. Correct sequence of dipole moment. Dipole moment is directly proportional to the difference in the electronegativity. So that here I just want to say alkyl fluoride is more than alkyl chloride, should be more than alkyl bromide, should be more than alkyl iodide. Because of this lone pair of electrons over here, this is going to be reversed, exceptional. So alkyl chloride is greater than alkyl fluoride is greater than alkyl bromide is greater than alkyl iodide. So the answer for this question is going to be D. Answer is D. Got it? Monica? That's good. Suresh Kumar? Abhishek? That's fine. Next, product and the mechanism of the reaction would be. In the Finkelstein reaction, you use Na in acetone. You use NaI in acetone so that it follows SN2 mechanism. When it follows SN2 mechanism, inversion takes place. Halogen exchange reaction, bromine is inverted, so that this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer, and this cannot be the answer, and this can be the answer, and this can be the answer, right? Now, when it is the answer like this, tertiary butyl hydrogen, the reaction is not happening here. When hydrogen and bromine, there should be a stereochemical inversion. So that in the stereochemical inversion, you can say tertiary butyl and hydrogen, and iodine and hydrogen. Both this cannot be, and this is iodine and hydrogen. So stereochemical inversion is seen. Stereochemical inversion is seen. So the answer is seen here, and here the there should be a inversion over here. Okay, is wrongly printed. So answer is going to be C. Okay, not D. Here it is giving the same na. That's the reason why. It should change its stereochemistry. Next, the tertiary butyl chloride and reaction with AgCN produces tertiary butyl cyanide. This reaction occurs via SN1 pathway. Answer? In the NEET examination, I can assure you in this 2025 examination, assertion reasoning questions, at least 5 assertion reasoning questions will be there in the entire chemistry paper. In this scenario, tertiary butyl chloride, okay. When it is treated with AgCN, it undergo SN1 pathway and it gives you CH3 and CH3NC. It is forming isocyanide. It is not cyanide. So that this statement is wrong and this statement is correct. Okay, assertion is false and reason is true. Okay. So answer for this is cheating. Actually, students will be deceived based on this kind of questions. Everybody correct yourself, Monica. Everybody corrected? It is giving isocyanide but not cyanide. Next, again assertion reasoning. R butan 2-ol on reaction with SOCl to become R. R means reductase insister. Okay, R and S configuration. This reaction occurs via SN1 pathway. What is the answer for this? Now, my answer comes to be here. Assertion is true, reason is false. Why? Because R butan 2-ol becomes R 2-chlorobutane. Okay, so whenever SOCl2 takes place, it is going to be by using SNI, intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, where it takes place retention. It takes place by retention. When it is retention, R become R only, it is true. So it is SNI, not in SN1. So it is wrong. Answer is going to be this. Got it? Okay, no spamming, my dear students, no spamming in the class. It is not SN1, SNI, intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. SNI, okay. Next, boiling point of CH3F is less than CH3I. Boiling point of alkyl halides is proportional to polarizability, and iodine has good polarizing power in comparison to that of fluorine. Yes, logically it is true. As the size of anion increases, polarizability increases. Right? No spamming in the chat box, my dear children. So here I would say assertion and reasoning true, or reasoning is the correct explanation of assertion. So many questions are waiting behind you. Come on, make it fast. One more. And this one, you know, benzyl bromide reacted with magnesium in ether. Actually, you have to say this is going to get Grignard reagent like this. You know, this reaction is not possible. Could you somebody explain me why? Is it possible or not? Monica? Abhi, Suresh Kumar, Abhishek, Priyanka? Please do not spam in the chat box. I am expecting an answer. This actually forms, but the thing is, it is going to react with one more molecule of this one, benzyl bromide, SN2 reaction, it undergo SN2 reaction. So benzyl halides are super reactive in SN2 reaction, therefore it is going to give you therefore this reaction is not possible because this forms like this, and it is going to be the correct explanation for this. It's a good explanation for this. Understand? Here I want to say A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Let us move ahead with one more question. Next, the relation nucleophilicity proportional to the basicity holds a protic solvent but not valid in aprotic solvent like DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide. Not now 1000 questions series in the 45 days. Okay, every day we discuss about 40-45 questions. So in the total series of 45 days we will be discussing about more than 1500 questions. Okay, now if the solvent is protic, it forms hydrogen bonding with a nucleophile, but a protic solvent like dimethyl sulfoxide, it cannot form hydrogen bonding with a nucleophile. So therefore I would say assertion is false and the reason is true. Why? Because in the case of a protic solvent, the nucleophile is caged by the solvent molecule by hydrogen bonding. Thus in protic solvent, nucleophilicity is inversely proportional to the basicity, and it is very important. So there is no equation, there is no numerical in the assertion reasoning type questions, just only statement what is a nucleophile and what is a solvent. And you can see such a logical question. You should have a tremendous command on the theory part. Okay, understanding level you have to maintain. Fine. Very good. Next, one more question. Before going for the one more question, NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack. Infinity Line is offering this. It was 5,999 on the special discount. When you apply YouTube 50 of coupon code, you are going to get it for 2,999. Everybody, in the description box, a link is available. You click it and you will find it. Okay. And one more question. Among these compounds, which has the shortest carbon to chlorine bond? When you talk about this, it has a resonance. It do not have resonance, it do not have resonance. Here the resonance is on the both sides. Resonance is not effective. Here effective resonance is there. So it will have a partial double bond character. So I just want to say 1 is the answer for this question. Clear? Simple, logical question. Answer is going to be A. Let's see one more question. What will be the product in the following reaction? NBS stands here, N-bromosuccinamide. This N-bromosuccinamide, it allylic or benzylic positions are brominated, allylic and benzylic position, so that carbon to carbon double bond, this position is allylic position, this position is allylic position. So it can be brominated at anywhere without double bond disturbance, without the disturbance in the double bond. Yeah, that's good. My answer for this question is going to be A. Got it? Now answer is A. Now as the time is almost exhausted, we'll meet with more stuff in tomorrow's class. I'll come up with alcohols, phenols, and ether, and so many good tricks for that, and more conversion based questions are also there. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Please like the session and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Land YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Maunika, you like the questions? Muhammad Ashik, yes. Okay, see you. Signing off. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. Thank you very much. Thank you.